In this video, I'll show you how to rotate a video in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and tap New Project. Choose the video you want to rotate from your gallery, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. Once your video is loaded, tap the video clip in the timeline to select it. When the clip is selected, the editing tools will appear at the bottom of the screen. Now scroll through the bottom menu and look for Edit, Transform, or Rotate, depending on your version of CapCut. Tap the option that opens the rotation tools. To rotate the video quickly, tap Rotate. Each time you tap it, CapCut will turn the video 90 degrees. For example, one tap rotates it sideways, another tap turns it upside down, and another tap rotates it again. Keep tapping until the video faces the correct direction. If your video was recorded sideways, this is the fastest way to fix it. Just rotate it until the subject appears upright on the screen. After rotating the clip, check the preview window. Sometimes rotating a video can create empty spaces around the frame, especially if the video was recorded in a different orientation. To fix this, use two fingers on the preview screen to zoom in or zoom out. Pinch outward to make the video larger and drag the clip to reposition it. Try to keep the main subject centered so nothing important gets cut off. If you want to change the video format after rotating, tap Format or Ratio from the bottom menu. Choose the size you need, such as 9:16 for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, 16:9 for YouTube, or 1:1 for a square video. You can also rotate the video manually if your version of CapCut allows it. Tap the clip, then use two fingers on the preview screen to twist and rotate the video freely. If you only want to rotate part of the video, split the clip first. Move the playhead to where the rotated section should begin, tap the clip, and choose Split. Then move the playhead to where the rotated section should end, and tap Split again. Before exporting, play the full video from the beginning. Make sure the video is facing the right direction, the framing looks good, and no important details are cut off. Once everything looks correct, tap the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, then save the finished video to your device. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.